Hey everybody, Daddy Guru here to talk about left-hand tantra, or what's called Vamachara. And Vamachara has a spiritual tool base known as the 5 M's. Maja, Mamsa, Matsya, Mudra, and Maituna, meaning wine, meat, fish, grain, and sexual intercourse. Things that were considered forbidden in society, Vamachara considered very sacred. This is also about shadow work, the deepest and most intense, the desires that we're taught to hide, the parts of us that we're ashamed to show, the intensity that society refuses to honor. But here's what makes it tantric, okay? It's not about shame, it's about awareness. It's not about hiding the shadow, it's about bringing the shadow into the light, and with intention and with a skilled guide, someone who holds space for us, who helps us transform, who makes us feel safe. Because once we meet our shadow head on and own it, shame dies and everything becomes sacred.